Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to contact Tesco Support. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tesco web application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how or where can you find Tesco? You can find Tesco on Google Play Store, Apple Store, or you can even use the web application which I'm using right now. Now, how do you create an account on Tesco? It's simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type tesco.com and that's going to take you to the official website for Tesco. Once you get into the website, check the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find the sign up button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a little features to have an exciting time in Tesco. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to contact the Tesco support. Now, if you're navigating the application and you just have issues and you want those issues to be solved by reaching out to or contacting the support desk, here's how you can contact them. From your home page, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find Sign Out, Store Locator, Contact Us, Help, and My Account. Go ahead and click on Contact Us button or the Contact Us tab. And that's going to take you to the Help and Support desk. Now here you have a lot of questions that it can help you with. All right, shopping in store, Club Card and Club Card Plus, technical product support, further help. So what exactly do you want? So let's say online grocery shopping. And this is all, let's say, shopping in store. You have further questions here. Okay, so this says in-store question answered, store locator, problem with an in-store, important item purchase in-store, and then need something else. Okay, so here you have these questions, and then you have the store locator if you have problems with your in-store in-store purchases. Now here you have a phone number that you can call. All right, and they said they're available Monday to Saturday and Sunday. You can check the timing that's available where you can call. Now when you call, they're definitely going to reach out to a Tesco agent who will provide answers to the questions that you have. And now you have need something else. So do you not need any of these options that are displayed here? Now you can reach out to them here. Okay, and you can reach out to them by this time Sunday, but this time Monday to Saturday. You can reach out to them calling this phone number, or you can even reach out to them on WhatsApp by clicking on this WhatsApp button here. Yeah, so this is pretty much the process. This is exactly how you can contact Tesco support for anything you need. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.